Stop settling for a laggy camera and a dead battery by 3 p.m. The budget phone game has changed, and what you think you know about cheap phones is about to be completely rewritten. We spent the last month putting the 4 most hyped budget phones of the year through absolute hell, battery torture tests, camera shootouts you wouldn't believe, and real-world performance that revealed some shocking truths. One of these phones outperformed a flagship that costs 4 times as much in a key test, and one the so-called fan favorite completely failed to live up to the hype. Stick with me, because by the end of this you'll know exactly where to spend your money. All the links to get these phones for yourself are in the description below. Let's find your next daily driver. Starting at number 1. Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G's high-resolution, 6.7-inch screen provides smooth animations thanks to its 90 Hz refresh rate. The phone also features a microSD card slot, a welcome addition regardless of the price. In addition, Samsung promises 5 OS updates and 6 years of security upgrades to keep the A16 going for years to come. Budget-conscious buyers who need the basics, the Samsung Galaxy A16 provides an excellent overall experience, featuring good performance and years of support, all for under $200. Its cameras are better than they have any right to be for the price, while its IP54 rating means it can handle dust and water splashes. It's as solid as a $200 phone can be. Samsung fans, Samsung's One UI software runs on top of Android and provides productivity enhancements, including advanced multitasking, customizable edge panels, taskbars, and stackable widgets. With 6 years of updates, the Galaxy A16 will continue to receive new features, whereas competitors will be stuck on outdated versions of Android and will be less secure. Number 2. Motorola Moto G Power 5G, 2024. The 2024 edition of the Motorola G Power 5G features a 6.7-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and an adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz for big, clear visuals. In our tests, its battery life exceeded 12 hours, and we like the option for either 30W wired fast charging or 15W wireless charging. Note that Motorola has released a new version of the Moto G Power for 2025, but it features a less powerful processor and slower performance, so we recommend sticking with the 2024 model described here. People who want the longest battery life, the Motorola G Power packs a 5000 mAh battery that lasted more than 12 hours in our battery rundown test. Further, its quick wired and wireless charging features make it easy to top off your battery without needing to stay tethered to an outlet for long. Streaming audio and movie fans, the G Power's 6.7-inch display, loudspeakers, and Dolby Atmos support make this phone a solid entertainment platform. The speakers deliver unexpected bass, allowing you to get immersed in music or videos without needing headphones. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. With rounded corners and flat sides, the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G resembles most other Galaxy phones. It handles everyday tasks like email, web browsing, and media playback without issue, thanks to its combination of an Exynos 1280 processor and 6GB of RAM, while the battery runs for a long time, 13 hours and 10 minutes in our testing. Samsung offers 4 years of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates, so you won't have to buy a new phone for a while. A headphone jack and microSD card slot are also highlights. Note that Samsung has released a new version of this phone, the $299.99 Galaxy A26, but we haven't yet reviewed it. Creators on a budget, at under $300, the Galaxy A25 features cameras that punch well above their weight. Its 50MP main shooter generates high-quality pictures with clear details and vibrant color, even in low light. The A25 also has optical image stabilization, a feature often reserved for more expensive phones, to produce smooth Full HD video. Video capture tops out at a resolution of 4K and 30 frames per second. People who want a 3.5mm headphone jack, the Galaxy A25 has features you won't find on the latest crop of superphones. Its microSD card slot gives you the option to add up to an additional 1TB of storage if you want, and its 3.5mm headphone jack means you don't need to get a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones that require charging. These two specs are increasingly rare, so get them while you still can with the Galaxy A25. Number 4. Bark Phone. The Bark Phone is a modified version of the Samsung Galaxy A13. It runs Bark's parental control software that allows you to monitor virtually everything your child does on the device. For the kid, the Bark Phone is not a toy. It features good cameras, a big screen, expandable storage, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack. Parents, this phone is ideal for parents who want to guide their children into phone ownership while maintaining control over the experience. Bark does the thinking, so you don't have to. Just make sure that both you and your child are aware of what the device can and can't do. Kids, if your child is set on having a smartphone, the Bark Phone is a great way to give them the freedom of an Android phone, complete with apps, games, and more, while keeping a watchful eye on their online activity. It's a win-win for kids and parents. So there you have it, the real no-nonsense breakdown of 2025's best budget phones. The choice is now in your hands. If this in-depth testing saved you time, money, and headache, please show some love and hit that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. We've got direct up-to-date purchase links for all 4 phones we tested in the video description. Go check out the deals. To stay ahead of the curve and make the smartest tech choices, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. We're dropping a video next week that exposes the biggest smartphone scams of 2025. You do not want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay smart with your cash, and I'll see you in the next one.